Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about functions and procedures, part of database management system course. In SQL, a function is a named block of code that performs a specific task and returns a value. Functions can take 0 or more parameters as input and can be used in SQL statements like any other value. Here is an example of creating a function in SQL. This function takes a customer ID as input and returns the first and last name of the customer as a single string. To call a function in SQL, you can use it the same way as a value or column. And here is an example of calling a function getCustomerName. This statement calls the getCustomerName function and passes it the value 123. It returns the name of the customer with a customer ID of 123. A procedure is similar to a function, but it does not return a value. Instead, it performs one or more actions such as inserting, updating, or deleting data in a table. Here is an example of creating a procedure in SQL. This procedure takes a customer ID, first name, and last name as input and updates the first name and last name for the customer with a matching customer ID in the customers table. To call a procedure in SQL, you can use the call statement. This statement calls the update customer procedure and passes it the value 123, John and Doe. It updates the first and last name for the customer with a customer ID of 123 to John and Doe respectively. Functions and procedures are useful for encapsulating complex logic or repeating tasks in SQL and can make your SQL code more efficient and modular. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.